Hello friends, in this pandemic COVID-19, are you thinking for your future and do you have any sustainable, profitable and valuable business plan? Because as per research in 2020, 40% people will lose their jobs. So guys, let's start. Today I am going to tell you about a business which is already existing in all over the world. Do you know about Atomy? This company is going to take over the MLM multi-level marketing business in India till 2025 and launching soon in June 2020. This is Atomy business plan. There is no need of money to start the business. Free registration, no monthly renewal, no monthly charges, zero investment business and full stability of this company in all over the world. Please keep yourself along with this video to know about the opportunity. Can you imagine if you are buying the product for your daily use and you are getting money for the purchasing of that product? Unbelievable for you but reliable, because this company is authorized by Government of India to explore the online business in India like as Amazon, Flipkart, Alibaba, Jabong, etc. Atomy is a network marketing company that conducts direct sales in 16 different regions including South Korea, and also going to launch in 30 different countries of the world within 2020. Atomy is in top 20 companies across the world with the revenue of 1.3 billion USD till 2019. Friends, this company has successfully made 2.5 lakh crorepati people across the world within 10 years. Atomy is the number one company in Japan and South Korea and working in USA with 30% market share of network marketing. In India, before launching the products, 3 lakh members has already joined and made the team and they are ready to start the business. Are you ready? Yes, I know you are ready to do this business, and listen carefully. Atomy is based on the principle that is absolute quality and absolute price, and established by company's founding chairman Hen Gil Park in 2009. This is a joint venture of two units of Government of South Korea, that is KERI and Kolmar. KERI is the second largest research center of world in South Korea after NASA. Kolmar is the top manufacturing company of the world and providing 400 products including Hemohin, skincare, health, foods, beauty, home goods and fashion. All top brands of the world are client of Kolmar and this company manufacture their products. Now let's talk about the business plan, how we can start this business with Atomy and we can earn money without investment. Guys, if you don't know about the multi-level marketing, then you will not believe it can also happen, which I told you in the introduction of this company. First, we talk about the compensation plans of this company. And for your knowledge, this plan is same for all countries, only varies according to currency of different countries. This plan is permanent, it will not change like other companies of network marketing. This is the most generic and freedom compensation in direct selling industry. There is no package to join or repurchase and free for a year. No monthly purchasing for incentives. Only two people can join under you, one in your left and one in your right, and same for your right and left. Like this, you can build a team. Only one ID for married couple, and with this ID you can work all over the world. Now we talk about commission structure. As you can see a graph on your screen where 30% profit will be shared with company and 70% share with members of this company. In 70% you will get 40% daily matching binary commission, 20% bonus, master bonus and 6% education bonus. First talk about daily matching binary commission. There are 7 levels to earn the money, but you can start earning the money from first level. As you can see on your screen, there are 7 levels to do this business. In this video, I will not cover all levels in details because this is not possible to cover all levels in detail. For example, I am telling you first level in detail. For first level, you would have to complete 10,000 PV on your personal ID and 3 lakh PV in your right and 3 lakh PV in your left. Then you will be eligible as a salesperson with 1,750 rupees per day you can earn. And like that 50,500 monthly you can earn in first level. For your knowledge, I want to tell you that in other network marketing companies, for completing 10,000 PV, you need 1 lakh to 2 lakh rupees business. But in this company, only you need 1,300 to 2,000 rupees business. You can get 10,000 PV easily. For that reason, this company is growing more faster across the world. Now talk about what is PV. PV is the point value which is given here as per South Korean currency, which counts in wons. 1 rupee made up by 16 wons, like $1 made up by 75 rupees. Hope you have understood this concept. Like this, in second level you have to complete 3 lakh PV on your personal ID, and as a agent you can earn 1,57,500 rupees per month. To reach on third level, you have to complete 7 lakh PV on your personal ID and also in your both side, and then you can earn 3,50,000 per month. Guys, if you want to know these all levels in detail, then I will give you my WhatsApp number where you can ask me in detail. I will help you surely, and I am making this video because I have also joined this Atomy with free registration. Guys, we need only to build a big team to earn more money, to fulfill our dreams or to reach on next level. Guys, now let's talk about the main source of business or to make yourself superior in this company. For this level, you need to reach on 7th level of daily binary matching commission. After that, you will be shareholder of this company, and in mastership bonus, you will get money. As you are seeing on your screen, there are 7 levels in mastership bonus where you can earn money from global revenue of this company. As well as in these levels, you will get rewards that can be money, foreign tour, car and more luxurious facility in the form of rewards. Guys, let's talk about 6% education plan. Company will provide you free education platform for your team with your comfortability. Guys, now I am summarizing this video and I hope you have understood how you can make your future in this company. Guys, as I told you, this company is joint ventures of 2 South Korean companies of government, which are already on top in their research and manufacturing all over the world. This company will provide all product on lower price with better quality as comparison of global and regional market, because whatever top brands sell you product by their name, that product manufactures by this company. Now this company will manufacture and distribute also by its name through direct selling or network marketing. This company has registered in India with the terms and condition of Indian government. This company is legal, launching and has made headquarter in Aerocity, Delhi, and also made distribution office in Gurugram. If you want to join Atomy, then make up your mind to do this business with this company and contact me on this WhatsApp number 8267825128, and you can mail me on yatinrawat71@gmail.com. You can also contact me on Instagram ID, that is yatinrawat24. Guys, I am the active member of this company and we are making the big team for better future of our team. If you are waiting for launching of this company, you will be very late to do business. After launching the products in India, more people will join this company because of the freedom of this company. There is free registration available with sponsor ID that I will provide you. Join Atomy in our team because there are few days left in launching of the products of this company. To know more in detail about this company, contact me on my WhatsApp number, which I have already given you. Please subscribe this channel and click on bell icon to get more updates and videos for your career, health and lifelong happiness. Like, comment and share this video with them, those who want to start a career through business without any investment. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and stay at your home.